Hi friends, I'm just doing my hair. I came out of the shower. My stomach, I was wearing a bathing suit the other day, right? And I don't like how my stomach looked in it, so I'm gonna go do some sit-ups. I feel like it can be a little bit more toned. It's not big, but it can be more toned. We're gonna go do some sit-ups, and I'm gonna do this every day for like 5 minutes. I'll start off with 20 sit-ups and then gradually increase to like 50, 100. Stuff I used to do for track and field when I used to do track. I used to do at-home workouts too. Oh, I had this on my head. If you guys haven't bought one, go buy one. It's a bonnet, but it's a towel bonnet. So whenever you wash your hair, you just put it on your head and it soaks up all the water. It doesn't drip or anything. It's so much better than wearing a towel on your head. When I saw it on Temu and I bought it and tried it out, I was like, okay, yes. I'm never going back to wearing towels on my head. All right, so that's that. That's all I'm gonna do for my hair. Guys, I've been trying to look for natural hairstyles, for natural hair, basically. And I can't find anything. I'm tired of doing middle parts, side parts, low bun, top nut bun. I want something different that doesn't require me to have my hair up, because with my hair, it'll be curly and then after like an hour and it dries, it's literally an afro. My hair is like this short. Literally, it's up to my eyebrows. So I was like, okay, no. So I was on Pinterest trying to look, because the girlies are like, good Pinterest for everything. And Pinterest does not have everything. Like, unless I don't know how to use Pinterest well. It could be that. Some people know how to use Pinterest so good they can find everything. But I just feel like Pinterest is so over exaggerated. So I go on Pinterest now. I'm trying to go on it more than ever to plan out things when I'm doing things. But like TikTok is really good to get stuff on, and YouTube, of course. Oh yeah, let's do that. So I'm gonna watch some videos. This is how my boring, like this looks ugly and boring. I need to go do my hair. Oh, I took off my nails. I'm just gonna cut them. Well, we'll cut them after I go work out. No, we're not gonna wear makeup today. I was gonna wear makeup, but what was I saying? I'm gonna watch videos on how to use Pinterest. Maybe that's what it is. Because I'll search up key terms and I'll see pictures. I'm going to rabbit hole looking at other stuff, but is against blackness. But other than that, anyways, let's go work out. I'm gonna go on the veranda. You guys can watch my It Girl video, productive morning routine video. I need some earrings. Let's go put on some earrings.
Not perfect.
Oh! Start off slow and then ease your way into it. And then it doesn't get easier actually, because you have to intensify as you go on. I'm back. Guys, it felt so... I need to work out more. I feel like my oxygen is running through all of my body much better, even after doing that 5-minute workout. Listen, when it comes to your abs, you don't really have to work out your whole entire body unless you want to. You just do core workouts. And I do them minimal. I start off minimal till my body gets used to them, or I feel like I can up my level. And every week, well, I used to do every 3 days I upped my level. That's when I was like hardcore, serious athlete. But I'm actually go back to that. So 3 days we'll do of only, I did only 10 sit-ups of each. I did 3 different sit-ups and I did 10 of each. So in 3 days, I'll increase it to 20 of each. And every day I choose different sit-ups to do. Today I just did those. Like tomorrow I might add maybe like one of those and like 2 others, blah, blah, blah. Listen, if you guys want to feel good about yourself in the mornings, do runs, do jogs. Even if it's a 5-minute jog, you do every morning, you're going to see how much you feel better. Thank me later. Jogging makes you feel like your oxygen is going through every single part of your body. You feel lighter, you feel better, you feel like you'll take on the world. Do that in a cold shower in the morning. Anyway, so I'm gonna put on, this is like active wear I'm wearing, but I'm not gonna wear, listen, I am not going to be, I'm not that girl to wear active wear in public anymore. I'm going to be wearing actual fits. And as I told you guys, I got rid of most of my clothes. I'm gonna get rid of more, but I found a website called Mika's. I don't know if it's good, but they have really nice clothes, so I'm gonna buy out some clothes from them. I told you guys I love Shein, and I just don't really want to only shop on Shein anymore. I want to try and find other websites. So if you guys know any other clothing websites, then you guys let me know. Like online retailers, not like, you know, Aeropostale, Dynamite. Those, yeah, no, I already know about those. But, and I'm not in Canada right now to shop them. Well, I can shop them from in Jamaica, but I'd rather do it in person because I can try on the jeans. Yeah, I'm going to wear this actually. Yeah, just house clothes for now. Oh, listen. Hi guys, I'm back. So this is just all I'm wearing. I told you guys it's like really simple, just in the house, loungewear. Anyways, I feel like drawing. I have my blank paper, but we're gonna follow a tutorial on YouTube, like a very basic kindergarten, grade 1, grade 2 tutorial. We're gonna, I don't know what we can draw. Maybe we can do like a goat. How to draw a pet goat. I'm gonna show you guys the outcome of it. How, let me, hold on. I forget that I can talk into this. How to draw a pet goat. Alright, let's do this one here. Hold on. Guys, this is how it looks. I'm gonna give it some grass because it needs some. Oh, is this brown? Well, I can draw a tree actually. This is not a part of it, but I'm just drawing a tree. And then let's do some grass. Yay, here's my goat. Let's do I do a signature? No. How did I do? I added some grass and, oh, a tree. Should I add like, yeah. Ta-da! I should do a mermaid. Guys, I'm back. Look at my phone, the back of it. I don't know if I showed you guys already. I'm going on the road, by the way. Well, I'm going down to the other house. We did some, we're going to do some gardening. I'm going to show you guys because I'm trying to do some stuff with my day. Look at this. Look. It fell from right here to here and it's still cracked. And it fell from higher places before and it didn't crack. So this is the back. So I'm just gonna always have to put on a phone case that doesn't show the back anymore. I don't really care. I'm done with iPhones. I don't think I'm gonna buy another iPhone until like this actually breaks. I don't see the point of upgrading anymore. I'm over it. The camera quality is perfect on here, so I just stick with this iPhone. So here are bananas in Jamaica. These ones are a little bit, they're small, but there's actually one smaller than this and they're very, very, very sweet. So I'm gonna have one of them. And then cane, we have more cane here. Oh look, this cane looks like it's almost ready. It needs to go a little bit longer. Okay, I'm back. So we're gonna do some gardening. We're gonna plant some palm trees. We planted some other plants. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys. We put up this little fence here. Cute, cute, cute. We put in the solar lights. This hole, you guys saw me dig, but we didn't end up putting anything in it because we didn't have a plant that would fit perfectly and didn't sprout out too wide. All right, so we did this here. Then I did some down here, but you guys can't see. I kind of fixed up here. So we did that one. This is rosemary. And then this is, all right. And then look at this. And we did a rose, but it kind of died. But it'll grow back. And then I don't like this plant because it jukes out my eye. It almost juked out my eye 2 times. All right, so there's this rose here. These ones here. And then look! Scallion! Scallion, scallion, scallion. We finally are making our own scallion. Just like how we had the pepper farm. Yay! There's this here. This is sour. And then look, the cane. I showed you guys the banana. This is the cane again. Hello, Aria! Okay, they're currently cutting down most of the bamboo here, so that's why it looks like that. All right, because this is all her property. Here, going. You guys already saw. You guys can watch the backyard tour. Anyways, we have so much fever grass. This is not even the amount that's on the property. All right, let me show you guys. Oh no, they took down the swing. This, I almost fell in a hole. The swing is gone. All right, so there's no, there is one. How look? Yo, my mom saw this from all the way up at the house. How did she see that one orange? There's nothing in this tree. I want to show you guys this. So my mom was saying that how they're now creating seeds where the fruit on it bear much faster, even though they're super small of a tree. Small this tree is, and then look at the guava on it. So she was saying it's like the new hybrid seeds, and she doesn't understand why they're selling it now. I guess to make cultivation faster and stuff, but I mean sowing the seeds so much faster. But yeah, she's like, yeah, I don't know about this. So that's why she only has one. The other tree is like really big. I'll show you guys. And it has some, so you can tell this is genetically modified. Just like even how it's bearing. Boy. I don't like it. I don't like it. Imagine getting beatings with this. Mighty God, this would hurt. Alright, so I'm trying to get this one here. Oh, it smells so good. You can smell it from so far. This is how it is. Kind of looks like it's getting fungus. Mmm. 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 Look at. Hey! All right, so this is it. I'm gonna try. My mom said it.
Like an Angelina and me. Down at Charmaine, yeah.
No, it's not that sour.
You know, I went down the other day.
This is tolerable. Okay, I'm putting on my.
Oh no!
Boots. Okay, we're planting the rest of them now. Here are the bulbs I was trying to show you guys. Oh, here is the bulbs I was trying to show you guys. Yes.
Okay, so we got this, the fork. But I know there's a technique to it, but I know I can't master it. Okay, so I'm just planting now. This is the fork here. I'm retiring from farming now, guys. I mean agriculture. This is a lot of work. So when you guys come to Jamaica, make sure you guys are going to the market and supporting the people that are farming. I mean, that are selling their goods. Not the markets, because it's a lot of work that goes into it. Okay, there.
So here it is, right here, and so it's planted perfectly. I'm back. I'm going to wind down. So I'm gonna put on a sleeping mask. So I have this one here from Bob and Brad, and they have good quality stuff. So I'm gonna use this one. So they package it like this. It's in a cute box. Let me actually show it to you guys properly. So here's the box. This is like a very small, compact box. So basically this would be eye mask for like headaches, eye strain, or if you just want wherever you're sleeping to be pitch black. Like tonight I want to sleep in. I wake up at 5 every morning, so tomorrow I'm gonna wake up at 6, but I want it to be pitch black. It's an eye massager as well. It has a heating feature and it has a cooling feature. So it's saying that it has a music feature and it has low noise as well. So if you're someone who likes listening to white noise at nighttime, you can actually buy this and then put white noise on. It has instructions, a user manual. So use the gel mask. So the gel mask can be used alone at room temperature as a sleeping eye mask or chilled for a cooling effect. They always package their stuff so compact. They always give you a traveling case and it's rechargeable. Thank you, Jesus. So the charger is in this bag. So here's the cooling mask. So basically you can actually put this cooling mask in your fridge. If I knew that, I would have done that prior to doing this video, so we'll do it next time. But it's like a gel and it's good quality, as you guys can see. Look at that. As I said, you can adjust their pad. So you're supposed to put this one on first, right? So it's, when you put it on, well, you can still see some light, but obviously this is just the cooling gel pad. Wow, I like it. All right, so we're gonna put that at the top. You can control the air pressure on this. You can control the heat, the cooling effect, and I'm gonna add some music to this so you guys can, this is so good. All right, so this is how it looks. Here is adjustable. Here's the inside. All right, so here are the features right here. So we're gonna turn it on.
Bob and Brad eye massager is on. Air pressure plus heat plus music.
So it comes with very spa-like music. I hope you guys can hear that. The charger, it can get charged here. So the music here, you can change song. And it's massaging at the same time. I'm gonna show you guys. So I have this over and then I kind of can see stuff at the bottom here. So I'm gonna put this one over and you're supposed to adjust it. Okay, this feels really comfortable. Okay, I see pitch blackness now. So this is how it looks on. Wow, it's actually pitch black. You can sleep with this on and then just have music. So it's on. I turned up the volume a little bit more. So you can control the massages if you want a massage or you don't want a massage. It's on right now, but I took off the massage feature, but there's different features. You can turn up the volume to low, medium, or high for music. And they actually offer different type of music sounds pre-enabled in here, which I let you guys hear. And then you can turn on the heat or cooling. So I'm gonna turn off the heat because the heat is on. There you go.
Low heat. High heat. No temperature.
See, so no temperature. This would be good for people who just want to sleep in this. Like, they also have a timer feature where they will automatically turn it off after 15 minutes. And I would probably use that a lot, especially if I want to get a massage before falling asleep. At least I know when I wake up, it's going to be off. If you want the massage, the heat cooling feature is really good. So we're going to connect it to my phone. Where is my phone? I'm gonna have it linked down below in the description. They might be having a coupon on Amazon right now that you guys can select when cashing out. I don't know where my phone is, so we'll use my iPad. It's saying that we just go to our settings, connect it as a Bluetooth, and play music. Let's just play a regular YouTube video.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to A Better You podcast hosted by
Do you guys hear it? I have some jazz music on. Guys, 10 out of 10.
Guys, I'm at River. This never gets old, this waterfall here. It's pretty every single time I come. Washing my hair. I'm doing a video for Instagram, so you guys follow me on Instagram like I tell you guys follow, because between uploads I'm over posting real time on Instagram. But I'm using the Camille Rose shampoos and conditioner, and they smell good. Okay, I'm done now. I'm leaving conditioner in my hair. But this one, as always, look at it, look at it.